So guys, how are you? I hope so that you guys would be good. So just coming up with a very interesting thing today, that is battery charging cycle. So battery charging cycle, what it is actually, and how you can check it out, that how much cycle your battery of an iPhone has already been completed and why there is a need to check it out. So that's what we are going to discuss in this video, and I will tell you the way that how you can check it out, the battery charging cycle of your battery in your iPhone. So battery charging cycle, what it is actually, it is being something that when you are being charging your iPhone from 0 to 100%, and after it is degrading from 100 to 0%, that is what we call it as a one cycle. So according to the survey of an Apple, especially for this latest 12 series, Apple is being saying that after every 500 charging cycle of a battery, the battery health of your iPhone will degrade from 100 to 80%. That what Apple is being saying. And we also got an option in our iPhone, everybody knows about it, that we can check it out, the battery health of our iPhone. It's being very simple. You can go to settings and then batteries, and then in maximum compatibility you will get your battery health in terms of percentage. If it is 100%, then you are being very sure that your battery is being really good till now, but we know that it is being lithium ion. Every day we have to charge it and it has to degrade someday. So in this video I will tell you the way that how you can check it out, that how much cycle your battery has already been completed, like from 0 to 100 and from 100 to 0, how much cycle your battery has already been completed. And after that you can relate to the survey that is being done by the Apple, uh, how much cycle you have completed, and according to that how much percentage you still have. This is basically the survey done by the Apple, but still we are having a lot of examples are also there, that even after completing 500 cycles of your charging, still some people used to maintain 100% of their battery health. So it mainly depends upon how you are being using your cell phone, what type of cables, what type of chargers you are being using with your iPhone while charging, and how basically how you are being taking care of your iPhone. So mainly depends upon you also. So let's check it out, the way that how you can check it out, that how much cycle has already been completed by your battery of an iPhone. So I hope so that you guys would like this video. If you are being new to this channel, please like, share and subscribe to this channel for more info about Apple products. So let's check it out. So let's check it out, that how much cycle your battery has already been completed. So for this you have to go to your settings app. In the settings app you have to go down to the privacy, and in this privacy you have to go all the way down, and you will be getting second last option, that is analytics and improvement. So you have to open this, and in this you will be getting second option, analytics data. So you have to open this one. So these all are the analytics data you will be getting over here. So in this analytics data you have to find out your log aggregates. I'm just being repeating again, log aggregates. So you have to go all the way down here and you have to find your log aggregated data. So even I also don't know what it is actually, but this is the way that how to do it. So these are the log aggregated data over here, and you have to go to the last log aggregated. So now you can see this is the last log aggregated data, log aggregated 20210626080523. So what you have to do, so you have to open this data. So this is the log aggregated data, so much big data. So what you have to do, so you have to copy this full data like the way I'm being doing now. So like this you have to copy all your log data. So now you can see that full data is being copied, and now what you have to do, you have to go back and you have to go to your notes app. In this notes app you have to open a new note and you have to paste it over here. So notes pasted from settings. So these all the log aggregated data you have already pasted over here. And after that what you have to do, you can see three dotted option on the top right side. You have to open this three dotted option and you have to go to find in note, and in this find in note you have to search for battery cycle. So in this battery cycle count you can come to know here this one 111. So it will show you that how much cycle your battery has already been completed. So like in my case, this is being 6-month old iPhone 12 Pro Max. My battery health still 100% and my battery has already been completed 111, so 111 complete cycle my battery has already been completed. So this is being one of the way that by which you can find out that how much cycle your battery has already been completed. So 111 cycle has already been completed. So I hope so that you like this video, very interesting thing to know. So please like, share and subscribe to this channel.